We are very much satisfied with the Shakti Pump products and services. Hi, my name is Jenitus. I am working as a MEP manager. Provident Park Score is a very good project. Lot of amenities we have, cricket pitch and play court, everything, and also swimming pool. A very good clubhouse also we have. We have 4 WTP rooms. We are using HNS pumps for the domestic water supply. For that we are using Shakti Pumps. In STP also we have 2 sets of HNS pumps for flushing. There also we are using Shakti Pumps. We use Shakti Pumps from our purchase department, and we have installed all pumps here in our all pump rooms. Shakti Pumps comes with good efficiency and low maintenance and low cost. That is the reason we choose Shakti Pumps over the all brand for our all projects. We are very much satisfied with the Shakti Pump products and services. I have recommended Shakti Pumps to my friend circle and colleague circle.